Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about a product that promises to help relieve pain and improve sleep quality. Somaleaf's CBD Turmeric Relief. Let's check it out together. This product combines CBD and turmeric, two ingredients, known for their anti-inflammatory and relaxing properties. According to the brand, it helps restore endocannabinoid levels, which can contribute to deeper, more restful sleep. I am testing CBD turmeric relief, and I can say that the idea of starting to feel the liposomal difference is very interesting. Liposomal technology helps with the absorption of CBD, enhancing its effects. If you're looking for a natural alternative to help with well-being, this product is worth keeping an eye on. So, have you heard of CBD turmeric relief? Tell me in the comments what you think or if you've ever used something similar. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any news. See you next time.